Hello, my name is Anton Troyer. My Ojibwe name is Wagush, which means fox. I'm from Leech Lake, which is one of the Ojibwe reservations in northern Minnesota. I'm one of the youngest speakers of the Ojibwe language in our area, and also someone who officiates at traditional Ojibwe funerals and life ceremonies of every kind. As I've traveled over the past decades all over Ojibwe country, I can't help but to notice how much so many people struggle with historical and contemporary trauma. I have a plan that I believe can help people heal. So many of our people have been disconnected from their communities through foster care, adoption, residential boarding schools, and even urbanization. About half of the tribal population lives off reservation. It's hard for many to access the remaining speakers and cultural carriers from whom they could learn more about our ways. My plan is to develop a print resource, a book, that will explain about naming ceremonies, coming of age ceremonies, cultural practices of many different kinds. And I believe that I'm uniquely well equipped to do this, both because of my experience as a cultural practitioner and officiant at many ceremonies, and also my academic experience in publishing books and things like that. We have some things we can't share in a print form because of cultural taboos and so forth. And I would be very sensitive to and careful about how I navigate what can and can't be shared in a context like that. But I believe the end result will help people connect to their cultural toolbox and equip them for healing in a new way. My goal is to help prepare people with the best chance they have at a long, healthy, happy life.